Congratulations, you've safely arrived in the land of Medicare, and best wishes for an upcoming amazing 65th birthday. Like many travelers before you, you're probably wondering how in the heck you got here so quickly. But let me warn you, this important birthday will be met with frustration, as you will most certainly and constantly be harassed by unfamiliar callers, incessant emails, unsolicited visits to your front door, and a plethora of junk mail will pack your mailbox for many weeks to come, adding to your frustration and confusion. But there is hope. You have the power to stop this madness because together we will navigate the complicated maze of Medicare, and I'll guide you on this important journey to provide knowledge and insight. You will be able to make the most informed decision to protect your quality of life and health and provide peace of mind. Below are my recommended steps to follow to ensure your Medicare journey will be smooth and your destination rewarding.